I'm going to see if I can turn this mess of plants into a few small potters. I've pulled a lot of plants from either seedling containers, old cuttings, things I've pulled out of other pots, things I got from my office that needed some work. All of these are overcrowded, overgrown, way too big for the containers they're in. So I'm going to see what I can do to combine some of them into some multi-plant pots and also to just clean up all of this. I recently did a thorough cleaning at the office and in my home of a lot of my plants and ended up with a whole lot of cuttings and scraps and propagated plants that I need to do something with. I've never combined different succulents into a single pot as a aesthetic or a decorative move, and I'd like to give it a try. So I'm using a well-draining soil, and I'm going to combine a few different cactuses into one type of pot. I'm going to combine some of my aloe-like plants into one pot and try to get a variety of taller and shorter, perhaps try to mix up the patterns, very small plants, perhaps some drooping plants over the edge, and see if I can turn this mess into something a bit more attractive.